hiking. I learned a lot from games and activities. I wish I could come here again.
My name is Martin and I liked stacking the matches in towers. And I like this place very much. And I got to meet new people. I had a lot of fun and learned through games.
And this place is very good. And I had lots of fun. This place, I love this place.
You like this place?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Would you like to come again? Yeah?
And I want to stay here.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, you can come back next time, okay? When we have another. Okay?
We had lots of fun. I'm Kevin. I came to the creative workshop. We played lots of games. And I had lots of fun playing with my friends. I learned a lot of things and I had lots of fun. So next time I can come to creative workshop. Thank you. Hi Reshma.
Hi. So you came here for?
Reshma this workshop.
I love this.
You love Reshma Aunty or Reshma
I
Aunty?
love the shop.
You liked it?
Yeah, I love
You liked it? You had fun? What all did you guys do?
So fun. I like games.
What all did you do?
I do drawing, a car, a hoop, a lab.
I so much like the shop.
Really? What was your favorite? Most favorite? Whole thing was fun. Yeah? Full fun. And did you make friends?
Yes.
Huh? Yeah? New friends?
I'll come again next year.